For 2024, all our downspout kits include our vented cleanout leaf filter. No tools required, slips right on any downspout. You do have to select a 2x3 or 3x4 downspout, so you have to know what size your downspouts are. All of our downspout kits include our pop-up emitter that you can get your hand down in. Sometimes you get a lot of tree seeds that collect in the elbow of a pop-up emitter, and you need to clean those out. It also has a turf restrictor plate so grass can't grow over it. Any of our kits that say they include an inline catch basin now comes with our triple patent pending sediment trap. It has a larger sump than your 12x12 catch basins, yet it's narrow so it goes right in the trench. It was designed by contractors, so it's easy to install. Everything snaps together quickly. Dig out a little deeper underneath the catch basin, because later you're going to add a little drainage rock underneath the catch basin. Everything snaps together quick, and then you just seal it with our super sticky, super stretchy plumbing tape. Look how easy this snaps together. This was designed by contractors that know what it's like to be out in the field, in a trench, sometimes in the rain, sometimes in the snow, and a lot of times in the mud. We want everything to go together really quick. So just add that drainage stone underneath that catch basin. That way, it'll always drain out. After a hard rain, there's going to be a little water left in that catch basin. So you're going to want to drill a few holes in the bottom and then have a bed of rock underneath it so that it can just leach into the subsoil. Always stand on your pipe when you're putting the dirt back on top of it. That way it can't move on you and the dirt can't get up and under it. Now, if you live in the north and you're worried about your lines freezing up in the wintertime, as long as you don't have trees nearby, you can use knife cut. Knife cut is a solid pipe that has these blade cuts in it. What that means is the solid pipe will move the water during the torrential rain. But then when the water is just left to sit after the storm, it'll slowly leach away. This is knife cut. And you can see how there's these little cuts in it. Blades made these cuts. They didn't remove the material. The material's all there. That is why it acts as a solid pipe. Now we have this really great coupler for connecting the solid pipe to the knife cut. Always put a sock on your knife cut so that dirt doesn't get into your drainage system. 15 feet as a minimum off the house. Try to get 20 if you can, but 15 feet is a minimum. This sediment trap has a nice shape to it where all the sediment settles to the middle. That way you can just stick the wand to a shop vac inside it and suck it out. Optional is some locations underneath where you can take a small drill bit and make some holes so that this does not hold water after the rain event. Beautiful design, designed by contractors. We have a solid turf restrictor plate with the solid plug for the top of this catch basin. That way, if you are holding water in it, you don't have to worry about it becoming a mosquito hatchery. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. And if you have any questions about installing this underground buried downspout kit, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.